Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. With just a month left in this mini catalog, I wanted to share several swaps that I've received just to give you a little inspiration and make sure that you don't miss out on any products that might not be returning. If you're curious about any of the products that are showcased in these swaps, you'll see them all linked in the description below. So let's get started. All right, so this first one is adorable. It's from one of the punch bundles in the mini catalog. This is a die cut, and this is uses an embossing folder from the Basics online trio. But this stamp comes from a punch bundle that goes with the ovalish punch that is here. And you can see they also carried the stamp to the inside and made it a thank you card. I love this paper as well, and it started in this mini catalog. So did the baker's twine and these accents. So a lot of mini catalog products on this card. All right, this is from the, I'm calling it the Dad bundle. This is a die and stamp bundle. Very cute. It's got Happy Father's Day inside, something you can definitely use in the coming months. I do know that this is continuing into the annual catalog, but then again, Father's Day is in June, so this is probably a really good time to grab it because I'm sure it's going to become in short supply very soon. Continuing on, this is also from that Dad set, although you would not guess it because it's feminine colors and a very sweet thank you card with a little splatter down here, which I just love. This is the new ice cream bundle, die and stamp bundle that came out in the mini catalog. The accents are also in the mini catalog along with the ribbon and the paper. I love what this die does to the cone. It's very wonderful. And then everything is marked inside. And this is actually an easel card that you can easily set up. By the way, if you've watched this far, drop a comment below if looking for different ways to make easel cards or any kind of fun fold is something that you would enjoy. All right, this is from, oh, it's a really pretty tea set. I honestly don't remember the names. I'm not even going to try. I know this one is from the Everyday Essentials dies. Again, look in the description. I'll have everything marked there. And this one is also from that same die set. So it's really beautiful, and they carried the teacup to the inside as well. Back to our balloons. Sorry, I thought I sorted these all the way, but back to our balloons. And again, another fun fold. Flip up, flip out. Very easy to make. Happy to teach you guys. So leave that comment below if you're looking for some fun fold guidance. But this is adorable, and almost all of these products are from the current mini catalog. Balloons were the theme. I think this is our last balloon. And you'll notice that there's quite a wide variety of greetings that go with this as well. There's a little cloud over here. And I do believe this is blank inside. Our swap doesn't require you to decorate the inside, but I know a lot of demonstrators did, which was wonderful. All right, and then moving on, this is the lavender stamp set with coordinating dies. And it is just beautiful, and the sentiments are really heartfelt and sweet, good to have in your back pocket to send to a friend who just needs a little pick-me-up. It also, I guess, has a Happy Mother's Day in it, which is awesome. That's coming up really soon, so if you're interested in Happy Mother's Day cards, you need to get on that right away so you'll have time to make them. All right, and then this one is the country, I think this is the Country Blue designer series paper. Again, I will mark below what it is, but I know that this is one of the new dies, so that's really fun. All right, and then this one is the new stamp, die, and stencil kit, where we have stencils, or Stampin' Up! Calls them masks, that allow you to do all the coloring, which is just beautiful. And they paired it with the new butterfly accents, along with the new hybrid folder that lets you die cut and die emboss the lettering for your greetings. And I think there's 15 different greetings in this one folder. Again, a blank inside. All right, we have Rockstar paper along with a Rockstar stamp set. And I do believe there's dies that go with this, but don't quote me. Again, a blank on the inside, but super fun for the guy cards that you need in your life. This is using that new hexagon punch that we have along with the butterfly accents And some of the, this ribbon is, I do believe, from the annual catalog, and then showcasing some designer series paper. Again, a blank on the inside. This is from the new interactive sorry, I have two cards here. Interactive die set, and I'm saved it for this video to pull this off. So what happens is the die partially cuts this layer for you. First you stamp, and then the die partially cuts this layer, and it will pull away as per you're instructed, and it will reveal whatever you would like to stamp underneath. So a very cool die set. This pull away comes in different shapes in the die set. So very fun to make. And that, oh, and then I knew there was a way to get inside. And this was a Valentine's card, but still you could make it anything you wanted in any way. But you do get this pull stamp with this beautiful die set. And this is one of the stamps you can use inside the shape that's created. Sticking with Valentine's, although you could use this B set for absolutely anything, is this cute Happy Valentine's card. There are other more generic greetings that you could stick right there and move along with this adorable bee using the petal pink for your wings, and all of these stamps are in that stamp set as well. All right, sticking with our bee theme here, and I can't remember if the bees are actually coming to the new annual catalog or not. So I'll be sure to leave that noted below, but you'll always be the one for me. I mean, you could easily put, you'll always be the one for me there, and just leave this blank and you have a great card. You could copy it super easy. The Sweet Sorbet ribbon that's used here is also a more narrow one, which is a lot of fun. There was one just like this in a past catalog, but it was much thicker. This is 3/8 and that one was 5/8. It just makes such a difference when you cut that 1/4 inch off. All right, this is the new, showcasing the new cow bundle for the next few cards. This is coming to the annual catalog, although now is the time to grab it so that you can maximize your use. This is done with a little peekaboo into the punch, and then the holy cow. I love the greetings in this cow set, and it's super fun to use. It does come with a punch that lets you do this, so it's super easy to just stamp and color his face if you want to, or you can go hog wild and cut out all sorts of different pieces. I've seen this little cow decorated up quite well. And this is the back side of that Rockstar designer series paper. It has very generic black and white prints, which is wonderful. All right, continuing on with the cows. We have this cute one. You'll notice that there's 2 different cow bodies here, and they are built to face each other, which is really fun, and 2 different faces that you can use to decorate. You've got one that's winking and one that's standard, and she actually even colored this in as well. And then What's Moo With You? All of this, most of the greetings have some sort of a cow theme to them as well, and that is blank inside. Oh, I do want to also point out on here that this is using Parakeet Party cardstock as well as ink. Remember, that will also be going away before the new annual catalog. And so at this point, those 5 colors, Parakeet Party, Starry Night, not Orchid Opulence, that's super old. Orchid and Sweet Sorbet and Tahitian Tide are all on while supplies last for any products in those 5 colors. So if you want them, you should definitely stock up. All right, we had a submarine bundle with, I believe this, no, it's not a punch, it's dies. This one is a die and stamp set, and it's got a great little happy birthday greeting. I'm thinking this is blank inside. It is, but it definitely showcases a lot of the things from the stamp set. And then last but not least is this really awesome beach themed bundle, stamps and dies, and it is continuing to the new catalog. It's got lots of great layers on this sample, and I love how she watercolored the sand as well as the sky. Again, that's Tahitian Tide, and so is this, a soon-to-be-gone color, and this one is also blank inside. All right, I hope you liked this little review of a lot of great swaps that I received for the current mini catalog. If you made it this far in the video, thank you very much. Drop me an emoji below to let me know that you made it this far. Let's decide it's going to be a smiley face because this is such a fun video. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.